Hey guys, let us make some oven baked chicken. Okay, first thing first, I am going to remove the bone from the back of the chicken, and this is just to ensure that my chicken is laid properly for baking. And guys, I'm telling you, this was so difficult for me. The scissors was not scissoring, and I have to change the scissors because look at it. I was literally struggling to remove this backbone from the chicken, but eventually I get to remove it. Once you remove the backbone, ensure that you clean your chicken properly with some lime and vinegar to remove any odor from the chicken, and dry it with some paper towel before you start seasoning your chicken so that the season can stick to the chicken properly. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. And for those who are continuing to watch my videos, I appreciate you so much. God bless you. So here I have some garlic, pepper, and herbs, some Caribbean spice, Maggi all-purpose season, green season that I made, some jerk season, and I'm going to add some olive oil and season my chicken. Ensure that you get under the skin of the chicken and those creases. Once seasoned, let it marinate for about an hour. Then on a baking tray, place your chicken on top of the baking tray and bake for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now onto our sauce. I am going to add some ketchup, soy sauce, black garlic. This is spicy, so don't add too much. You can add whatever sauce that you like as well. Some dark browning and some water. I also have garlic, ginger, thyme, pimento, onion, and I'm going to allow this to simmer down for about 5 minutes. Ensure to set your alarm for about 20 minutes to brush this delicious sauce over your chicken. I did this for about 3 times before it was finished. Once it is done, remove it from the oven and it is time to enjoy. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.